Let's look at 4 ways to go from nothing to rich as soon as possible. Number 4, avoid and pay off debt. Anyone who has ever been in debt knows that it is a dirty 4-letter word. Not only does it drain your bank account, but it also takes a toll on your mental and emotional health. If you want to go from broke to rich as soon as possible, one of the best things you can do is pay off debt and avoid debt as much as you can. Of course, this is easier said than done. For some people, debt is an unavoidable part of life, but for others, it's a choice. And if you want to be wealthy, you must choose to stay away from debt. It may not be easy, but it will be worth it in the end. So if you're serious about becoming rich, start by getting out of debt. Then make a commitment to avoid debt as much as possible. It's not the only thing you need to do to become wealthy, but it is an essential first step. Number 3, invest in a diversified portfolio. If you're looking to get rich quickly, there's no magic formula. However, there are certain measures you can take to increase your chances of amassing wealth. One of the most important things you can do is to invest in a diversified portfolio. By spreading your money across different asset classes, you'll be less exposed to market volatility and more likely to see consistent growth over time. Over the long term, this will put you in a much better position to build wealth. So if you're serious about becoming rich, make sure to invest in a diversified portfolio as soon as possible. Number 2, work on your career. There's no question that if you want to get rich, you have to work hard. But what most people don't realize is that simply working hard is not enough. You have to work smart. And one of the smartest things you can do is focus on your career. After all, your career is what will provide you with the income you need to accumulate wealth. Of course, finding the right career can be challenging. But once you find a field that you're passionate about and that provides good opportunities for advancement, you'll be well on your way to a wealthier future. So if you're serious about getting rich, start by taking a close look at your career. It just might be the key to unlocking your financial potential. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, start a side hustle. If you're like most people, the thought of becoming a millionaire is nothing more than a pipe dream. But what if I told you that it's actually quite possible to achieve this goal? The key is to start a side hustle. A side hustle is a business or gig that you can start in addition to your full-time job. And while it may sound like a lot of work, the benefits are well worth the effort. Not only will you bring in extra income, but you'll also develop new skills and knowledge. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to meet new people and network with potential customers. So if you're ready to start on the path to financial freedom, be sure to include a side hustle in your plans. You just might find that it's the best decision you ever made. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.